Hey, it's your host Sauce from the Viral Kingdom, and welcome to another NFT video. In today's video, we're going to be going over the brand new news that Instagram will be implementing their NFT feature update that has been long awaited. It's been teased many times by the creators of Instagram. However, we haven't really heard much other than the fact that NFTs were coming to Instagram in some sort of diameter, but now they are actually implemented. The rollout of this feature has started today, and it's slowly going out to creators. In today's video, I'm going to overview all of that good stuff and how you can potentially get this feature faster. Now, before we do get into anything, if you guys like NFT content, make sure to subscribe to the channel to keep up to date with all the latest and greatest news and reviews in this new Instagram update featuring NFTs. So the feature actually got leaked out by the head at Instagram, and he took to his Instagram page to post this video right here.
The creator economy is incredibly important to Instagram. Creators are incredibly important to Instagram, but one of the challenging things that we need to solve as an industry is how to help creators make a living doing what they love. Right now, there are a number of different ways for creators to make money, but a lot of them are unpredictable and changing rapidly. Now, we think one really interesting opportunity for a subset of creators is NFTs, the idea of owning a unique digital item. So what we're starting with this week is the ability for creators and people to share NFTs that they've made or that they bought, either in feed or in stories or in messaging. It's a limited number of people to start, and there's a lot more functionality that we're going to need to build over time, but we wanted to start small and learn from the community. Now, I want to acknowledge up front that NFTs and blockchain technologies and Web3 more broadly are all about distributing trust, distributing power, but Instagram is fundamentally a centralized platform, so there's a tension there. So one of the reasons why we're starting small is we want to make sure that we can learn from the community. We want to make sure that we work out how to embrace those tenets of distributed trust and distributed power, despite the fact that we are, yes, a centralized platform. We do think one of the unique opportunities we have is to make Web3 technologies accessible to a much broader range of people. And NFT specifically, we think will be interesting not only to creators who create NFT art, but also to people who want to collect it. So keep an eye out, let us know what you think, let us know what you want to see next, and you're going to be hearing a lot more from us on not only NFTs, but on how to better support creators' ability to make a living over the next couple months. See you next week. Peace.
So as you can see from his video, he has a lot of interesting things to discuss about the new NFT update and all of the amazing features. The integration is going to support Ethereum and Polygon-based NFTs at first. However, I would not doubt Solana and all of those other blockchains would soon roll out after that. And it's incredibly easy to set up your MetaMask wallet or your Trust wallet, whatever wallet you are using, to verify that NFT ownership. Now, there's been a lot of hype on Twitter, and people really believe that this feature update could get us out of this bear market. In my personal opinion, I do think that this NFT update is going to be fantastic. However, I don't think it's going to be the sole factor in pulling us out of this bear market into a bull run. However, it is without a doubt a plus. The way Instagram is set up with its already done grid features makes it perfect for integrating NFTs. One of the cool things I like about the NFTs when displayed on Instagram is that they actually shine over. They have like a gloss video feature on the NFT, and they have this little text in the bottom left saying digital collectible. Similarly, onto Twitter, how there's the hexagon profile pictures, this makes verifying that, hey, this is an NFT, and you can click it and verify what the actual NFT is on the blockchain. Now, something they did know is that they'll never publicly surface your wallet address, which I guess is cool, but if you really think about it, you could easily find the particular NFT that someone posted in a collection and just find that wallet address with very little detective work. So I don't really understand why they include that as a big point. Another awesome thing that I love that Instagram is doing is that there will be no fees associated with posting or sharing digital collectibles on Instagram, and I think Twitter needs to take note of this. If you don't know, you actually have to pay for Twitter Blue on Twitter just to display your NFT in your profile picture. However, with Instagram, this will be a lot different, as you won't have to pay that pesky fee to post your NFTs. Now, if you want to see the features in action, you can actually check out these Instagram ads I have on screen right here. All of these accounts currently have the feature, and as you can see, there really isn't a lot. This is just because they're testing the feature out, and I assume within the next week or so, it is going to be extended to way more people. Now, if you want to get this feature faster, the two main ways are A, being a verified creator on Instagram. When you're a verified creator, you get access to all the new features as soon as possible. And secondly, the method that I always use to get features quicker on Instagram is setting my location to the US. For whatever reason, Americans always get the features on social media platforms, especially Instagram, first. It's a tip I picked up from my actual real job, and it's something I can share with you guys. So hey, if you ever want to get features faster on social media platforms, change your location to America. This doesn't apply to every social media, but it definitely applies to Instagram. Now, overall, I don't think that this update is going to change the entire market and that NFTs are all of a sudden going to be a massive thing. However, I do believe this will spark some life in the current bear market that we have. There's a massive user base on Instagram that is pretty untapped from the NFT space, in potentially bringing in some of those people to Web3 and NFTs as a whole will be massive for growing NFTs in the future. I do think this feature is going to go over way better than the Twitter Hexagon NFT feature, as it will be completely free for anyone to utilize, which is going to have so many more people using them. But yeah, guys, those are my thoughts on this new Instagram feature update. Hopefully you can use those tips to get the features sooner, and let me know down in the comment section your thoughts. Do you think this is going to pull us out of a bear market, or do you think this will be another update that just goes over everyone's heads? I'd love to hear your thoughts down below. With that being said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Peace. See ya later.
Thank you for watching the video. And don't forget to ring that bell. Thank you for watching the video. And if you're a fan, subscribe if you can. Crypto.